So hi again, guys. So, as you can see, I have my NASA shirt on and my space book. I actually have a lot of space books. This is going to be more of an astronomy themed type of video. So, I'm guessing only astronomy geek type people will be viewing this video, but even if you're not, that's cool. I like any views, any likes, you know. So, first off, I am into astronomy, okay? I read and reread books about it. I also watch a lot of documentaries about it. I like science fiction type of shows. So just a heads up, this video is going to contain me mainly telling you some astronomy facts. Some cool, maybe some kind of boring. So if you're not into that, you might want to leave at the moment. So I'll wait a minute. Are we good? Did everyone who wanted to leave? Good, okay. So, I guess I'll start with some astronomy facts I know off the top of my head. So I'm not going to be looking at this book just to prove to you guys how much I actually know. So first off, the planet Jupiter. First I'll tell you the names of all 8 planets. So, in order: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, it's actually pronounced Uranus now, and Neptune. So, and Pluto is a dwarf planet. It is not technically a planet anymore because it interferes with the orbit of Neptune. So, yeah, and the planet Jupiter the planet Jupiter has more mass than all the other planets combined. It's actually amazing. You can fit 1,300 Earths inside it. So I think that's a pretty cool fact. And let's see. So the closest star to Earth besides the Sun is Proxima Centauri. And if you want to trick people, ask them, do stars only come out at night? And they might say yes, and in that case tell them, well, what about the Sun? A lot of people forget about the Sun because it's so big and the other stars are little. But those stars are just as big. They're even bigger. They're just much further away. The Sun is 93 million miles away from Earth. So, yeah, that's why it looks so big and brings so much warmth to us. We couldn't live without the Sun. And let's see. Trying to think of other things. I'm not that good under pressure. But let's see here. What was it? Oh, yes. So, the Milky Way is our galaxy, and it is 100,000 light years across. In case you don't know what a light year is, it's how fast light can travel in 1 year. And it is big, because light travels at 186,000 miles per second. That's amazing. It can circle the Earth 7 times in 1 second. So, the rate at which it could go in a year is an amazing thought. It can reach Neptune in 4 hours. And it can go to the Sun in 8 minutes. I'm not sure how fast it can travel in a year. 5 trillion something? I don't know. The people who are watching who are geniuses at math, you do the math, because I don't have the patience to do the math exactly. And yeah, those are just cool astronomy facts I thought you guys might want to know. I could tell you a million more, but this would be a very long video if I did that, and I kind of want to keep this shorter. I also wanted to say a recommendation for a good science fiction show. So my dad recommended it to me. It is called Sliders. And I'll just give you a brief summary. I don't want to give anything away. This boy, Quinn Mallory, he finds a gateway. He opens a wormhole that can go to parallel Earths. And it's amazing. In one of the episodes, they're with a man-eating dinosaur. In another, the meteor is about to crash on that Earth. So it's an amazing show. I found out about it during this whole quarantine, so I was binge watching it. Really fun show. The characters are Quinn Mallory, his Professor Arturo, Quinn's friend and co-worker Wayne Wells, and Rembrandt Brown. He's a singer, and he got into a wormhole by accident. He was driving along, getting ready to sing a national anthem at some baseball game, and whoosh, he got in there. So, yeah, I thought I would recommend that show to you because I found it entertaining. And if you guys are bored, I recommend you watch it. It's on this app Peacock if you're interested. And, yeah, the first episode's about an hour and a half. The episodes after that are about 45 minutes. So, yeah, I like those kind of shows, and my dad does too, so, yeah, I find it entertaining. So, if any of you guys want, have any questions about outer space, you can leave them in the comments below, because I'll probably know them. I know a million facts about it. So, thank you for watching.